Okay, this is a test of the radio. In order to set up the time, you press and hold the time button. It could be the minus or plus for a couple of seconds. At that point, it's set up. As you can see, it says clock set. Right now, it's changing the time, as you can see. Right now over here is 8:06. But if you leave it for too long, it's going to go back to normal mode. So you press time again for a couple of seconds. It could be either plus or minus. Right now is it's 7:05 over here. Just press and hold, and I will keep going. 7:05, then let it go, and that will go back to normal. You see, it went back to normal without pressing any buttons. Now, in order to preset the stations, right now, what we just did was just the time, as you can see. If you want me to try it again, on the remote control, as you can see, the buttons, plus or minus, that says time right there in the corner. It's very hard to tell because of the camera that I'm using. But you just press time plus or time minus. I'm going to try time minus this time. I'm going to press and hold it, pointing it to the radio for a couple of seconds. Here you go. You can see the blink. It went to clock set. Now you're going to change the time. See? I'm going to put it on 7:20. If I press and hold, the time is going to go fast. If I toggle it, bam, you see? Let it go, and that will go back to normal set. As you can see, went back to normal set. Now, in order to preset the stations, just turn on the radio, press on and off on the radio. As you can see, it's showing the FM station. If you turn up the volume goes up or goes down. Right now it's on 106.7. I'm going to change it to 98.5, for example, right? I'm going to go to 98.5 or 90, as a matter of fact, 98.3. All right? Because there is no reception in this area where I'm at. 98.3 has one of the, very basic signal. It will just pick up about anything, anywhere it is. So it's on 98.3. I'm gonna press and hold the number 1 on the remote so I can preset it to number 1. Ready? I'm gonna hold it for a couple of seconds. Here you go. See? Boom, it stored it already. So now it's stored on 98.3 on the number 1. Now I'm gonna set it up on 101.5, and I'm gonna press the memory button number 2 for a couple of seconds, and I'm gonna let it go when it stores it. Here you go. Now see, I let it go when it stores it. Now it's 101.5. I'm gonna press the number 1, and it's gonna take me back to 98.3. You see, that means it's stored. I'm gonna press the number 2, it's gonna take me to 101.5. Okay, now I'm gonna press the tune button again to take it up to some other station so I can record the others. 103.5. I'm gonna store it on number 3. Again, I'm gonna hold down to the button number 3 for a couple of seconds until it stores it. Boom, that's number 3, which is 103.5. Now again, so you can see that it's stored, I'm gonna go to number 1, which is gonna show me the first station I saved, which is 98.3. Then I'm gonna press the number 2, which is gonna show me 101.5. Then I'm gonna press the button number 3, which is gonna show me the last one, which is, I think, 103.5. Okay.